Hey there, welcome back to my channel where I share digital marketing strategies to help you grow your business. In this video, we will discuss how to use re-engagement email campaigns to win back unengaged customers. Sending a series of targeted emails can be a great way to re-engage past customers and encourage them to return to your brand. First things first, before you can create an effective re-engagement email campaign, you need to understand why your customers are unengaged in the first place. Look at their purchase history and engagement with your brand to determine why they may have lapsed and what products or promotions may be the most enticing to them going forward. Next, you'll want to create your re-engagement email flows or campaigns. Once you understand your unengaged customers, you can create re-engagement emails either as a flow or a series of campaigns that are both targeted and effective. Consider sending a series of 3 emails over the course of a week that gradually offer more enticing promotions or deals. This will keep your brand top of mind and provide more incentives for the customer to return. When it comes to re-engagement email campaigns, timing and delivery are key. Make sure your emails are delivered at the right time and through the right channels to maximize their impact. I like to use email flows that target customers who haven't purchased in the last 60 or 90 days because they've had enough time to hopefully feel like they're missing out on our products, but it hasn't been so long that they have forgotten about us entirely. So consider using personalized subject lines and sending the emails during a time when the customer is most likely to be checking their inbox. Always track your progress. To ensure the effectiveness of your re-engagement email campaign or flow, you need to track and measure your results. Use metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to determine how well the emails are performing and make adjustments as needed by using A/B testing. Re-engagement emails can be a powerful way to win back unengaged customers and drive revenue for your business. By understanding your unengaged customers, creating a targeted email campaign, timing and delivering the emails effectively, and tracking your results, you can successfully re-engage past customers and turn them into loyal repeat customers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips and strategies. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching.